In this lecture, we are going to see how to eliminate render blocking of CSS and JS with WP Rocket Cache plugin. Once you have paused configuring the options that we have demonstrated till now, it means you have configured almost 90% of this WP Rocket Cache plugin. So you should have already got the maximum optimization that you can touch within your website. These advanced options are for those who wants to optimize that each and every option that they wish to play around with cache plugins. First of all, let's come to this page speed insights analysis of my website inspirerun.com. Here you can see some files are causing eliminate render blocking issue. A few of them are JavaScript, a few of them are CSS, and one is Google font. To resolve this issue, the CSS and JS files should be made to load asynchronously. Come to CSS file section and enable optimize CSS delivery option. But this may break your site's design elements if your theme is not coded properly. Whereas if you are using a page speed optimized theme, this option will give you a significant boost in page speed score and page loading time. Now click Save Changes button, clear WP Rocket Cache, and check your site in an incognito window. After checking, come to JavaScript files section, check Load JavaScript Deferred and Safe Mode for jQuery options. This will take care of render blocking JS files. Again, click Save Changes button, clear WP Rocket Cache, and check your site in an incognito window. Sometimes, if your critical path CSS is not generated, which is a very rare scenario, then you might need to wait a few hours after activating this Optimize CSS delivery option. Even after that, if you get prioritize visible content issues in page speed insights tools, then it means you need to add a fallback critical CSS. To counter prioritize visible content issue, we can either add critical CSS or leave optimize CSS option disabled. If you choose to leave this entire option disabled, then under CSS files section, choose Combine CSS files. Though this won't completely remove the render blocking issue of CSS, it can reduce the number of blocking CSS files to 1, which in turn can improve your page speed insight score than before. Whereas, if you want to create a fallback critical CSS, use the guide that I linked to as an external resource to this lecture. In case you want better page loading time or page speed score than what you have attained now, that too after loading both CSS and JS asynchronously, then you should only move to a better page speed optimized theme or a powerful server or a premium CDN service like Max CDN. In the next lecture, let's see the other options that are available in this WP Rocket Cache plugin.